Let me ask you something. Have you been posting shorts regularly, yet your views are stuck at 0? You put in hours editing, you upload, and nothing. No reach, no growth, no traction. Feels like YouTube is ignoring your channel, right? I've been there, and here's the hard truth. It's not your content quality. It's not luck. It's specific mistakes you're making. Mistakes that silently tell the algorithm, don't recommend this video. And unless you fix them, your channel stays in that 0-view jail. So here's what we're going to do. I'm going to break down every single mistake step by step. Plus, give you the fixes I personally used to revive my dead channel. Stick with me till the end, because there's one secret strategy that completely flipped my channel, and you won't want to miss it. Ready? Let's go. Problem number 1. Uploading from a Shadowbanned IP. What if your video never even reaches viewers? Not because of the content, but because of where you uploaded it from? Yup, if you're uploading from a flagged or Shadowbanned IP, YouTube's system might block your video from being pushed to Shorts feed at all. This usually happens if that IP was used for spammy activities, like mass account creation or bot behavior. The fix: use a clean, trusted IP. Mobile data works best. Warm up your channel. Watch, like, and comment naturally before posting. Post slowly at first. 1 short a day for 1 to 2 weeks, then increase. Problem number 2. Deleting underperforming shorts. Be honest. How many times have you deleted a video just because it didn't perform well? Here's the problem. Deleting videos resets YouTube's learning about your channel. You lose all the data the algorithm collected, and your growth takes a hit. Instead, set underperforming videos to private or unlisted if you really want them hidden. Never delete. Let the algorithm keep learning. Before we move on, hit like if you just realized this mistake might be costing you views. This tells me you want more secret growth hacks like this. Problem number 3. Random or irrelevant hashtags. Some creators stuff 20 random hashtags hoping for views. But here's the truth. YouTube cares about relevance, not popularity. Irrelevant hashtags push your video to the wrong audience. Wrong audience equals low retention equals 0 reach. Use 3 to 5 targeted hashtags related to your niche. Or even better, focus on keyword-rich titles and descriptions. That's what really helps YouTube understand your video. Problem number 4. Low retention equals dead video. Would you honestly watch your own video all the way through? If the answer is no, neither will anyone else. YouTube favors videos with high watch time and average view duration. If people swipe away in 5 seconds, YouTube stops promoting your video. The fix: hook viewers in the first 3 seconds with text, effects, or big promises. Cut out all fluff. Every second must add value or spark curiosity. Use captions, sound effects, and fast cuts to keep attention. Subscribe now, because next week I'm sharing the exact retention tricks that helped my shorts hit 100,000 views fast. Problem number 5. Posting at the wrong time. Posting when your audience isn't active is like performing on stage to empty seats. When you post at peak times, YouTube gets early engagement signals, and that helps your video get recommended faster. For new channels, test different times, but focus on when your target audience is online, not random hours. Problem number 6. Inconsistent uploads. YouTube rewards consistency. If you post once a day, then disappear for a week, the algorithm won't trust your channel enough to push your content regularly. Start with 1 short per day. Stick to it for at least a month. Once your channel gains momentum, you can post more. Problem number 7. Reposting the same video. You edited a killer short. It flopped, so you re-upload it on a new account hoping for better results. Big mistake. YouTube detects duplicate content. Reposting the same video usually kills reach on both accounts. The fix? Re-edit the video. Change the intro, pacing, captions, or music so it feels fresh. Problem number 8. No clear niche. If your channel is all over the place, motivational one day, cooking the next, YouTube has no clue who to recommend your videos to. Pick one niche, stick to it, and find your unique angle inside that niche to stand out from competition. Now you know the mistakes keeping your shorts at 0 views, plus the exact steps to fix them. Start applying these today and watch your channel slowly move from 0 views to consistent growth to viral potential. And hey, if you have any questions or run into problems, drop them in the comments below. I'll try to answer as many as possible. Subscribe now and don't wait. Tap the playlist on your screen right now and unlock my free YouTube growth training. Start with Module 1 today and watch how fast your channel takes off.